What's up, designers? In this video we're gonna parlay Ryan Hogue from Ryan Hogue Passive Income. His top 5 niches of the week comes out on Sunday. We're gonna put everything on Redbubble for sale, but we're gonna utilize the Placeit app and the Over app to put everything together. Stay for the end, because I'm going to show you how to turn this into a sticker for Redbubble, because it's a white design and that doesn't come out clear on as a sticker or as a magnet. So stay till the end for that. We appreciate you being here, and if you like content like this, please like and subscribe. We put out a video every week. When Ryan puts one out, or Juna from Detour Shirts, we're going to parlay their research and put them on t-shirts for sale on Redbubble. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know how many designs you have already up on Redbubble, and we could talk about that. Have a good one, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, here we are on Placeit.net. We're gonna look for something Italian. The niche was Italia because they just won the tournament and they are champions in soccer or football. But it is something that is copyrighted, so you have to be very careful with what you're putting out there. We're gonna do this one here, which is Ciao Italia, and it will be geared towards soccer. Right now it doesn't look like it has any soccer feel to it, but I'm going to show you on the Over app how to mask some of these designs, and we're going to plug in soccer elements so that it can use the hashtags associated with Italia and championship and soccer, so that we could get people who are interested in that niche searching for it on Redbubble, and they'll be able to find our shirt. So here we are on the Over app, and we're gonna upload that design straight up from Placeit.net. It's how it is right here, so we're gonna change it and make it our own by adding the soccer elements. So this is us masking it right here. And you basically, if you didn't know, you could erase designs if it's a PNG. The way we saved it from Placeit was a PNG, so it makes it clear. And we're gonna utilize the designs on the Over app to plug into where we made space. We're gonna rotate this one to make it look like he's kicking it out as opposed to kicking it in. And then we're going to match the color of the entire design. We're going to take another one out, and if you didn't know, they have a carnival in Italy where they wear masks, and not a lot of people know that, so we're going to erase this, but people know pizza, wine, grapes, and we're going to put a soccer ball in its place. Something easy that can be color matched to the actual design. You have some emojis here. I don't know why they come up as under soccer ball. There's a basketball. But you get to choose any one of these when you have the Over app. Once again, I have the paid subscription, so I get a little bit more, and I could use them on shirts. So you might want to think about subscribing to the Over app. Here's one I think is a good icon. And of course, change the color again. That's the Leaning Tower of Pisa, if you haven't recognized that already, but a lot of Italian elements to this. So now we're going to save it as a PNG with a clear background, no background, and plug it into the Redbubble website. Think outside, no box required. I'll put a card up here, so I'll link you to that design. We're just copying the settings for it. It makes it a lot easier for setting up your next shirt, except for the sizing. I think I'm going to change on a lot of these. They have a new cap coming out. I don't think it's available yet. I don't actually know when it will be available, but if we had this white design on that cap, obviously it won't be seen, so I would change that color and maybe even use the sticker design on there. Right now it's printing on a black shirt, so I'm going to change it up, change the color up, but I'm going to find the actual colors for the Italian team. It is blue, and I'll show you the website where you can actually get the hex code. Encyclocolorpedia or something like that. So this is the actual color of Team Italia. There's that sticker that's all white. We'll change that later. Always hitting the horizontal. You always want to keep it centered, and horizontal does help with that. And it doesn't have to be always centered. Like this dress here, make it a little bit stylish. We'll put it on the side and have a little peekaboo on the bottom there. The clock is nice. This is almost like a souvenir shirt. If you ever been to Italy or anywhere actually, they have the landmarks on sale. And this one gives me that kind of feel. Masks are coming back. I hope a lot more people buy these masks, because a lot of the states are bringing them back. Here's a sticker that we ended up with, and I'll probably put that on a hat too. But what I did was I went back to the Over app and took my same design, centered it, and we're gonna use shapes to give it a border. And this is now a layer, so it's on top of the other layer, so we're gonna bring it behind so that the design could be on top. Gonna change the outline of the actual sticker itself. It'll be funner if it wasn't as pointy, so we're gonna thicken that border and then make it rounded. And we're gonna use the same color for Team Italia. (103) CD6 hex code. Oh, CD9 hex code. There it is. I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll be sure to respond to you.